Hello and welcome. For King Canada Tools, I'm Gord Graff. King Canada Tools' full line of feature-packed wood-cutting bandsaws include a 14-inch with 12-inch resaw capacity and an 18-inch deluxe wood bandsaw with a 16-inch resaw capacity. The KC1502FXB and the KC1802FXB share identical features including the tru-rip aluminum rip fence that excels at resawing material, a smooth operating rack and pinion height adjustment system, a quick belt change system, loosen the handle, pivot the motor up, lock it in place, change the belt position, and retension. 2 4-inch dust chutes for efficient dust collection. A user-friendly hydraulic blade tension gauge makes setting blade tension accurate and easy to return to a specific setting, ideally suited when switching between resaw and scrolling blades. A safety foot brake that slows down the blade and disconnects the electrical circuit for emergency shutoffs. An illuminated line interrupting safety switch that indicates when the bandsaw is energized. The KC1502FXB bandsaw includes the versatile, accurate, and easy-to-use tru-rip aluminum rip fence with resaw guide. The single-point resaw guide easily compensates for blade drift that may be present while resawing. Simply scribe a line along the edge of the workpiece and cut along the line by pivoting the workpiece to match the blade drift angle. A powerful single-phase 110-220 volt motor pre-wired for 110 volts. 13 5/8-inch blade to frame cutting capacity and a maximum depth of cut of 12 inches. An 18-inch square cast iron table that tilts 5 degrees to the left and 45 degrees to the right. Adjustable upper and lower ball bearing blade guide system. 2 operating speeds, 2300 and 3250 surface feet per minute, facilitate specific sawing requirements. A quick release blade change lever for fast and easy blade changes. Easy to read cutting height indicator. A 1/8 inch to 1 inch blade capacity using 112-inch blades increases the versatility of this bandsaw. Comes with magnetic switch, blade, miter gauge, and precision tru-rip aluminum rip fence with resaw guide. The larger capacity KC1802FXB Deluxe Wood Bandsaw features power, increased capacities, and options that make this bandsaw a real workhorse. Features include a massive 16-inch resaw capacity, blade-to-frame capacity of 17 5/8 inches, a large 24 by 20-inch cast iron table that tilts 45 degrees to the right, precision-balanced, disc-style cast iron wheels, an adjustable upper and lower dual bakelite rub block blade guide system with 5 ball bearings provides 10 contact points, a safety stock pusher that keeps fingers away from the final few inches of a cut, a dedicated 3 horsepower 220 volt 16 amp single phase motor, 2 operating speeds, 2820 and 3936 surface feet per minute with quick belt change system for effective cutting of hardwoods and softwoods, magnetic switch with key lockout, includes blade, cast iron miter gauge, and the precision tru-rip 6-inch resaw rip fence. To find out more about these and other King Canada products, visit a King Canada dealer today or the King Canada website at kingcanada.com.